Sharing my latest arrival from Sudio. This is the box. I'm going to show you the designs I've got. Is the ETT, the latest one, Sudio earphones. So it's basically the true wireless one, active noise cancelling, wireless charging, 30 hours of sort of play. It's just water protection, quick charge, and you have different sizes ear trips as well. So let's see how they look like inside. I chose this amazing green color. I just have white ones from my previous I ordered before, but this one I just wanted something in a different color, and I think I will love them. Packed, as you can see, I haven't opened it yet, and let's see. You can see all the features here. It's just unbelievable. There's so many. The things I really like is the water resistance, actually. So it's just amazing that they have this, as you can see it right now here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different sizes. So I'm actually struggling with this. I can never find my size, so definitely it's gonna be beneficial for me. Yeah, as you can see, all of them here. This is the charger as well. You can do that. I haven't opened it yet, so let's take the film off and open them. Super light, as you can see. I should try them on when I'm running and I'm going to the gym. I think this is really important as well, because sometimes the other ones I've been using, they just drop off and keep coming off, and this is something I don't like. So here we go. The accessories in the box. Let's see what is inside. So here we go. You have them all different sizes, as you can see. You have the owner's guide Sudio as well, and you have the charger, active noise cancelling, 30 hours of playtime, water resistant, wireless charging, 8 different size of earphones, changing tips. I highly recommend them. It's for every present as well. They have a bundle campaign right now. As you can see, you can get few products for less with a discount. Quickly to show you my product, my Sudio ETT. They have a white, they have pink, black, green, and this gray color. Thank you so much for watching.